Hey, I'm back here with another one. Ian's Welding Mold Repair LLC. Doing a little bit of a review, or an unboxing. It's the Arccaptain prolux cut55. You got the NEMA 650p, just 220. I was curious how I was going to hook up air, but it's got the NPT. I think it's 1/4 inch or maybe 3/8. Let's see. Looks nice. It's small, which is cool. I like that. It'll fit really well into my stuff. This is a size comparison. 19.5 inch dually wheels. Comes stickers and your manual. It's got a cover. I think you get some gloves or something. Yeah. Some gloves. Decent. Oh. Dang, 2 pairs of gloves. I'll be. They give you a nice MIG welding or stick gloves. Some little driving gloves. Let's see what's in the other package. Oh, okay. It does run on 120 as well. You got some hose for your gas. You got your ground. The cover I was talking about, which will be sweet. Handles for the strap here. And then your torch. Some consumables, and I don't know what that is. Oh. Let's hook up in here. Is that a button? No. Yeah. That guy goes onto that guy, and then this guy goes to this guy. This guy gets grounded. Looks like right there. So not nothing crazy. I'm not familiar or used to anything like that, but $300 for a pretty hardcore deal, supposedly. I'll take it. All right, I'll come back for. You know how it goes. Talk to you later.